Hello everyone, this is the Hvac Demo Kit. This is the front of the demo kit, in which we use the cooling system or heating system. So this is the diagram for the heating system, and this is the diagram of cooling system. In cooling system we use the compressor for cooling, and in heating the water comes from the engine. So this is our battery, this is our motor, and this is water tank, this is water pump. And this is compressor. This is our radiator and dryer. In heating system the water comes from the this tank with the help of this pump and going to the in blower, and reverse from this pipe to the water tank. This is our heater for heating purpose, and this is our alternator. So firstly, switch on the main. When you downward the knob, this is for cooling, and upward for heating, and this is our pump main off. This is our high pressure gauge, this is our low pressure gauge. Firstly we use the cooling system, so that's why put in the cooling side. The radiator will run and cooling system will get in working condition. For heating, so this is our heating system. Pump on. And this is our heater regulator. You can regulate the temperature. And this is our alternator indication lamp. So this is the demo kit for heavy vehicle AC system.